Hello viewers, in this video I will show you how to open multiple tabs in Arduino IDE. It is very easy. Start the Arduino IDE program. After opening the first sketch, open another Arduino sketch. Now it is up to you. You want to type a new sketch or you want to copy a previously saved sketch. Open the file menu. From the drop down menu, open the sketchbook. From the edit menu, select all and copy the sketch. After copy the sketch, minimize the second window. In the main window, top right corner, drop down the arrow and select the new tab. After opening the new tab, in the bottom of the main window, a new window will open. Here you can type the file name. Nice, very easy. Please keep in touch. Subscribe. Write some comments. After writing the name, click OK. That's it. Now you know how to open multiple tabs, save it, and please keep all the files in the same folder. Please keep in touch. Subscribe. Write some comments.